Hi, welcome to today's video. Today, I am going to read the book Never Touch a Monster. I love these books because they are short, they are fun. They're fun to touch. And then they're also just super interactive and animated. And you yourself, whenever you're reading it, you can get animated with your actions and your voice as well. All right, so let's go. Never touch a monster. You must never touch a monster who has smiled at you and waved. It may look warm and friendly, but it isn't well behaved. You have to tell me, say no. Remember, you must never touch a monster. Never. You must never touch a monster who has asked you round for tea. It wants to put you in a pot and eat you. Probably. Whoops. No. Don't touch it. You must never touch a monster.
Never.
It's a silly thing to do. Ignore it if it smiles and says, hello.
Hello.
There. How are you?
Don't.
You must never touch the monster. You must never touch a monster. You should always hurry by. Just keep on walking past it. And don't look it in the eye. Oh, but look. Its tongue is bumpy. I want to touch. But no. Oops, wrong button. We must never touch it. And don't ever touch a monster. Who is hungry for its lunch. It might just see you coming and decide to take a munch. Look. This monster, he took a bite out of my book. He took a bite out of my book. Oh, I want to feel his belly. But nope. Can never touch a monster. All right, there's the end of our book. I hope that you enjoyed it. All right, so if we look through our book, we will see many different kinds of monsters in our books, okay? They're all different. So what I want you to do is to go get some paper And you can use pens, you can use pencils,
Pencil.
Maybe crayons. And I want you to draw your own monster. Okay? It can be like one in the book, or you can make your very own. So here is my monster that I made. Okay? And after you make and draw your monster, I want you to give it a name. Okay? So my monster's name is Blobster, because he looks like a blob, and he's a monster, so he's a blobster. All right, there's your activity for today. So you can thank you for reading the book with me, and then have fun making your monster drawing. Thanks for watching. Please comment and subscribe below.